If we make a habit of perceiving only suffering when we are harmed, then when the smallest problem comes up, it will cause enormous anguish in our mind. This is because the nature of any perception, be it happiness or sorrow, is to grow stronger the more we become accustomed to it. As the strength of this pattern increases, we will find that everything we perceive becomes a cause for attracting unhappiness towards us, and happiness will never get a chance. If we do not realize that it all depends on the way in which mind develops this habit, and instead we put the blame on external objects, then the flames of suffering, negative karma, aggression, and so on will spread like wildfire without end. This is what is called all appearances arising as enemies.